Yeah, hi everybody. It's Saturday, the 4th of December. I'll come down today and I'll be here a little bit of tomorrow. A couple of jobs, 2 or 3 jobs I'd like to get finished. I'd like to get the window in the kitchen that I put the new paint in, in the lounge that I put a new paint in last week. I'd like to get that all painted. I'd like to finish off the trim around the panelling, paint that up as well. And if possible, the Gite window sill is in the right state. The wood's all rotted, so I want to get rid of that, and then I'm going to make it into a stone seat using the stones that are already there. So 3 jobs really that I'd like to get finished just over this weekend. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Just on another note, there's a guy up in Brittany called Colin who has a site, has a vlog, called I believe French Countryside Life. And a little series he runs in that is where he asks people to give him some suggestions of food he should try. I think he calls it what the French actually eat. So I sent him a comment saying you should try a product called Unedited. I tried them 15 years ago. I've just about recovered the most gross, horrible tasting, horrible smelling thing you could ever eat in your life. Apparently some French people like them. I think most of them must be in an asylum. It's absolutely disgusting. I believe in England it's not even classed as fit for human consumption, so that's how bad it is. But Colin gave it a try. It's one of the funniest videos I've seen in a long time. So I'll leave a link below to Colin's site. Pop over and have a look and see what you think, and I hope it gives you as much a laugh as it did me. Okay, so I'll get on with the work and talk with you later. Cheers. Yeah, hi everybody. I'm prepping these windows up to give them a coat of paint. I'm going to paint them with a light blue, which is the same colour as I'm going to do the shutters outside. Couldn't get this exact blue, but needs a change anyway. It seems to be the thing around here that you paint the windows the same colour as the shutters, so that's what we're going to do. If I don't like it, because I'm not 100% convinced on the blue on the inside of the windows, I'll just go over it with white, but I'll give these a couple of coats and see what it looks like. Oh yeah, the reason I've not put the masking tape around the glass is because one, the masking tape's useless. It just comes straight off. It's a very low tack. It's just not strong enough to stay on the glass. So I'm going to paint it by hand. I've got a pretty steady hand, and it can always be cleaned off afterwards anyway, but I'll try to get as little on as possible.